So hello Ma'am MJ, this is my HTML activity. So this for the API. So if I click the button, all of this information from the API is retrieved and then displayed in this web page. So right now I'm gonna explain the code. So this is my HTML. So it's very short. And for my CSS, I'm not gonna explain it because it's not that important. So I'm gonna explain the my JavaScript code. So this line of code over here, so the async function, so it ensures that we can um, retrieve data from an API. Then over here, this line of code over here, so it's it gets the ID from the user info on the div on the HTML, and then this code over here, so it ensures that there is no pre-existing content on my HTML web page when I open it, so it clears everything. And then this one over here, this code over here, this is the API link that I have used, so it is the same on the Google Classroom. So I have used it, so this one connects to the API, so we can retrieve data. And then this code over here is for the error response. If there's any error that is encountered, this custom message over here will be displayed. And then this code over here, the await function, so it ensures that the code waits, and then if it is done, it will proceed to this code over here. So this code over here loops to the user array in the API, so it retrieves the attributes such as name, email address, street, city, zip code, phone, website from the user array. So this one over here is for my HTML card, So this is where the attributes that in the loop um, will be retrieved, and they will be displayed over here, such as their name, email, street, city, zip code, phone, and website. Then this one is the catch function. Um, the this one, if there is any error in fetching data or retrieving data from the API, this error message um, will be displayed. Then this one, so this is for my button. If we haven't yet clicked the button, there will be no uh, information or details that is retrieved and displayed yet. So I added an event listener for when we click the button, it will retrieve all of the data from the API and then displayed to the uh, to my web page. So that is all. Thank you.